Hi, day 20 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Get outside. No, I didn't just throw you out, but actually getting out in the natural sunlight increases your body's ability to produce your natural D vitamin and serotonin, which also increases the mood and your mood. So getting outside, and even though if there's clouds outside, the sun rays still get through the clouds. That is why you also can get sunburn even in the summertime. Or maybe you live in a part of the world where the sun always shines. But getting outside and getting some sun and not using sunscreen for about 15 minutes gives your body the opportunity to produce the D vitamin that it requires. But a lot of people today don't get that much, even maybe because we have clothes covering our body. We don't get out because of quarantine or lockdown. Maybe our work keeps us inside for the most part of the day. Doesn't matter. So either getting outside, I would recommend always the natural source, getting outside and getting some sun and some sunlight. It does increase your own production of D vitamin and serotonin, or maybe taking a D vitamin supplement. If you don't know if you have D vitamin deficiency, a lot of people are actually testing for that right now. I have tested a lot of people over the last year of D vitamin deficiency, and it's there's a lot of work to be done. Let me put it that way. So do take care, get some sunlight, or get the right balance of D vitamin. And if you're unsure, please do write in the comments if you want to learn more about it, or if you know someone who knows something about D vitamin supplements, take and ask them to, because it's very important for our mental health to have the right levels of nutrition and especially D vitamins in these days. Take care, stay safe.